Could a creature that looks like a mismatch somehow outsmart the night by snoozing with covert senses? The platypus quietly whirs to life underwater, using its electroreceptive bill to sniff out prey while it naps. Beneath its sleepy exterior, the male platypus wields a venomous spur in a surprising tidal routine that baffled early scientists and still tickles researchers today. The animal park crowd gasps as a single platypus pulls off a stealthy hunt in slow motion, leaving a trail of astonished whispers in its wake. The story ends with a wink as curiosity awakens and the mystery lingers.